back to JC Motor Garage. So I bought some LED headlights for my Jeep. It's got daytime running lights, it's got high beams, low beams, and it's got the turn signals in each light. So it's got the daytime running light feature, so that power hooks up from a fuse to your fuse box underneath the globe, underneath the dash and underneath the hood, and it hooks up to your heated seats. So when you turn on your engine, you got daytime running lights. So mine's an 08, so it doesn't have daytime running lights, so that'd be a good feature. So we'll do an unboxing and then we'll start the install. So let's do it. All right, so you got a clip here, you got one here, and I've already started taking some of these out. So what I am doing is using my screwdriver. All right, so I got the front grill off. So it's just these push pins right here, and then they pop out of place right here and along here, and then you get a torch, a T15, and you take the ones out. This one's not coming out, but it's all right. I've bent it back just a little bit just to get the headlights out. So this is your connector here, and then you got your connector here, and then these are your fog, not your fog lamps, but your turn signals. So these ones plug into here. So, and the front grill is sitting over there on the pickup. So this is what I bought: the LED driving light, and so this is it right here. So they got the H4 to the H13 adapters. That's what we have. And then we have one that plugs in here and here, the red, and it plugs in the ACC connector to the fuse box for your daytime running lights, and then your H4 to your H13. So that's it. This is your wiring harness for your daytime running lights. So you got your plugs there, and then there's your fuse. So there's that. These are your connectors. So these connectors right here plug in to the factory ones, which are right there. So those will plug into the factory ones, and then these will plug into the lights. So let's get these unboxed real quick and see what these look like. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at the factory ones over there on the floor compared to this. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to be able to see in the morning. Yay! So, all right. Well, let's get these plugged up and see what they look like. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's do
and
it.
She's eating ice cream from Chick-fil-A. Ha ha. Is it good? Say Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
I was working on the Jeep last night. I got the lights in. It got a little dark, so I couldn't finish the video. But I'm going to show you them installed and what they look like with the daytime running lights, the regular lights, and that. And I'm trying to figure out how to hook up the green wire to the turn signals so I can get those working. So as soon as I get that working, I will do a separate video on how to do that and the review on these after I drive them for a little while, just to see. I haven't drove it since I put these in, but tomorrow morning I'll be driving it to work, so we'll see what they are. But let's check it out. All right, so these are the LED driving lights from Amazon. I put these in last night and they look so much better than the factory ones. Check out these factory ones right here, the ones that I took out right there. Look at that. I could barely see in the morning with just those headlights. I had to turn on my my fog lights. So if I like these, they have a set of fog lights for them too. They're the same LEDs, and they'll kind of match the same color, because these are kind of yellowish color, and these are like a white color. But so this is what I bought. I bought the LED driving lights. So I'm going to post a link on the description below on which ones these were, so you can check them out. But right here, let's flip this over here so I can show you. Sorry about that. So this is the numbers right here. So from 07 to 08, so the X00B 2B6KZQB, and LED driving light headlights for Jeep, and 2-year warranty. So if they go out within 2 years, they'll give you a warranty on it. The instructions were perfect on this. It showed exactly what to hook it up to. I'm going to show you real quick. Let me open the hood and I'll show you where I hooked this up to. So I'll be right back. Alright, so right here I've got the yellow, or the harness for the daytime running lights ran up here. I've got to figure out where to put it because I didn't want to put it over here by the radiator hose and get hot. So I'm going to have to figure out a place to run this. I think I'm going to run it right along here and then figure out how to zip tie it. So I ran it right along here. But I ran it up here and ran it to the fuse box right here. So this is the one that, so this is the one right here that you hook that up to. So it is right next to the 20 amp fuse and the 15 amp fuse. You hook that right here. That's your heated seats. So if you look on here, you can see it says it'll say heated seats on here. That's the one you hook it up to. Let's see if I can find it. So yeah, you have to. So if it goes like this, you'll have to flip it over and see which one it was. So it was this will focus, M8. So M8. So that's your M8 fuse right there. So just come over here and you look for M8 right there, which it says right there, M8, M9 is your front and rear heated seats. So you can hook it up right to there. So it'll put power to it when you click on the lights. So just plug this back up and I'll show you how they work. So I'll do that later. So let's see how they work. So when you first hit your button on your remote to unlock your Jeep. There you go. There's the unlock. So the lights come on, that one and that one. Now let's check out the daytime running lights. So I'll come back here, turn on the daytime running lights real quick, and I'll start it up. Let's start it up real quick and see. And check this out. Also, when I hooked up the turn signals, these will turn yellow and they'll flash with the turn signal right there. So that'd be really cool to do that. So I've got to figure that out, how to spike it into there. But there's your daytime running lights, and we'll turn on the lights and we'll see what that looks like here. So we'll turn on the lights, and we probably couldn't really tell a whole lot. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So those are the regular lights. Now let's do the bright lights now. You can check these out. These are super bright. I like these. So you can see it's on. I don't have any gas. Those are the deep lights. Those are the gas. Look how bright those are. Probably just need to be adjusted a little bit. How it all working right. Look at that. I like it. The new install on LED lights. Look really nice. So stay tuned for more videos on the Jeep. We'll be doing the new bumper, new bumper, new front bumper. Probably getting new tires here soon, and we're going to be running online on these black. The other ones that I had back there, I'm going to be taking these ones off and doing that. So I also got a K&N filter also with the iDrive, which I really love. So if you haven't checked that video out, check that video out, and give me a comment and give me a like. So we'll be doing that soon. We'll be doing the top, so I'll have that on the video also. So installing a soft top on a Jeep, and we'll be doing some new running boards here. We'll be putting those ones on. And those are sitting back there. So those are the 2.4 and 14. These are 2008, so they're in better condition, and they're black, not gray. They haven't grayed out like this yet, so it'll be really nice to get those Rhino line black. But yep, other than that, the Jeep's looking good, and I'll be curious on how these work tomorrow, and I'm on my way to work. So if you liked the video install on the LED headlights for the Jeep. I'll post a link in the description below on what those are, and you can find them on Amazon, so I'll post a link so you can click on them and see how much they were. I think they were about $88 with tax, and I got Amazon Prime, so I get free shipping. So about $88, but I think they're worth it, instead of just, you know, replacing those over and over again. So I'll do a review, and I'll do an update video on the turn signals, on how to hook those up and what wire to hook those up. And if you already know, if you already done this before, comment below. Let me know what wire to hook it into. I think there's a green wire and there's a black wire, just same as the reverse wire for your backup camera. So if you already know, comment below. Let me know how to do it, but I will figure it out. And so stay tuned for more videos on the Jeep soft top, and new bumper, new fenders, and a bunch of other stuff. So if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at JC Motor Garage. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on JC Motor Garage.